So, hello everyone. It's another one of these. I have another package that came that I picked up today, and you're actually getting consistent uploads right now. Like I uploaded like 2 days ago. After that was like a week before. It's surprising, but yeah, this package I ordered was actually very good. It was quite a steal. But I'm not sure about the condition of the engine that's inside, seeing as the packaging isn't too good. It's shipped in the Lego Star Wars box. This is hard as fuck. Shipped in a Lego Star Wars box. But yeah, the shipping, as you can hear, the model moves around a lot. I hope nothing bad happened like to George last episode. Last time I did an unboxing. R.I.P. George. No, but he's fixed though. Look, this is that same George from last video, and my mom glued the wheels, so now he has a working wheel again. But yeah, that was so funny. Let's see. I'm excited to look at this guy. Here he is. Okay, I did not get scammed. Here he is, Trackmaster Henry. Okay, his condition is questionable. Yeah, his condition is not that good. Okay, let's take a good look, shall we? So, here he is in all his glory. Front of the model looks quite nice, I gotta say. His traction tires are still intact, which is good to see. I can see a little bit of fluff. But this is my first engine that has like a wire coupling. As you can see, the coupling itself is broken, which is actually kind of a bummer. These stickers are insane. I bought this for 15 euros. I did not know that it was this bad. Seller said he did work. But as you can tell right here, this part's also broken. So I need to see how the fuck I'm gonna... Okay, there we go. So they put like a little piece of towel in there. What was the reason for that? I have no idea. Probably because they used a AA, but... I do have a C battery here, so let's have a look. Oh, he does work. Hey, nice. Happy about that. Condition of this guy is definitely questionable. But hey, Trackmaster Henry. So yeah, I just need to be careful with this coupling, this connection right here, since that wire can cause a lot of issues. Essentially, if like something happens in both, and then that's fucked. That's Trackmaster Henry for you. I mean, that's cool. As actually, this is now, I really don't have a lot of models from the Steam team. I had, of course, Thomas. Now I have Henry, which is nice. I had Percy, and then I have Duck and Douglas. But like, I don't have like James, Gordon, Toby, Edward, all those guys. Like, yeah, he's strong too. Like it's, I want to see if I can like do something with that coupling, because this is gonna sort of bother me, probably. But yeah, let's take him upstairs to the track. Okay, so here we are at the layout. At the track, I should say. I, at the moment, don't have a track built, so it's just gonna loop just like that. That's just what I have right now, but it's also somewhat become a tradition that every single new engine that I get, I have to hook them up to these little blue coaches. So that's also what I'm doing here. I would have to say that Henry's condition is definitely questionable, and to be honest, I think that I overpaid for this model. I paid 15 euros without shipping. Shipping was another 5. So that's basically 20 euros for this Trackmaster Henry in this condition. I did not know that it was this bad, since I only had one picture to go off of. I did not know that the sides of his tender looked like that, or that his coupling was broken like that. I only knew about that this would be on there. But what matters to me actually is that this model works, and I'll try to work out a solution for that coupling. Maybe put in like a Trackmaster 2 one or something, I don't know, or just an extra layer of protection on that wire, because You never know. Shit can go wrong very easily. So yeah. Also, I'm in the process. I was in the process of building a new layout. Sort of sidetracked that right now. So yeah, I have to do with this. All right, Henry. Let's see you go, buddy. My batteries aren't too great at the moment, and I also think that this guy needs to have a little bit of a cleaning. When I checked them out, there was actually quite a bit of dust, and it was all piled up around that wheel section. So I think that could be a reason why he doesn't run very well right now. I need to clean this guy out. I need to do a whole lot of stuff to this guy. But something that I can say, however, is that he is very strong. I mean, he still has a lot of life left in him. Well, his motor is fine, but the model itself, how it looks, isn't really. And I mean, he's slower as hell right now. Oh, come on, Henry. It's the green hen house. Yeah, I need to do something with this guy. I know. Oh my gosh, please. He does look nice. Oh! Oh my gosh, okay. Anyways, he does look nice though, I have to say. It feels nice having a Henry, since I've never had a Henry before. Also, I've never had an engine that had a wire in between the engine and the tender, so that's basically a Gordon, a James, or a Henry. Henry's my first one of these. So this is the 2009 version by Mattel, as you can tell. But yeah, I was hoping that it would be in a bit better condition than this, to be fair. But you know what? I guess it's fine. He derails. So I'm probably gonna clean this guy out very soon. See if I can fix a bit of his problems that he has. So yeah, I think that's also gonna be it for this video. This is gonna be a long one. It's just a short one to show off this Trackmaster Henry. So yeah, I will catch you all very soon. And I hope you have a great day. And bye for now. See ya.